Have you wanted to find your voice more completely? Be able to really express your heart with your friends or your beloveds? Maybe offer feedback that you might feel be a little unwelcome or at least challenging for the other to hear? I'm Evalena Rose, and on Sunday, May 31st, I will be teaching erotic communication and negotiating boundaries as part of the Oregon Tantra Festival online. 1 to 3 on Sunday Pacific, 4 to 6 Eastern, in time that those in Europe can also join us because this is an international festival. And we've worked diligently to find ways to translate Tantra so that you can really feel connected with the other people and deepen your intimacy skills. And one of those skills is communication. I'll be teaching about the love sandwich, talking about speaking above the line. The line is neutral. Above the line are ways of speaking that build self-esteem, yours and the other person's. And below the line are ways that diminish self-esteem. You basically take out the negatives. Then we put it in a love sandwich, a valuing statement, something beautiful that you care about the other person. Request your feedback and a valuing statement. There'll be lots of demos and practice, opportunities for you to say the negative thing you keep wanting to say and have me translate it into above the line love sandwich. And then we'll work with others in a breakout room where you can take a situation in your life and really practice these skills with support and feedback in a role play. Then we'll do something with touch. So how do you do touch on Zoom? Well, we've gotten pretty good at it. And we all are finding it very surprising that when you show up with an open heart and your body's opened through the movements that we work with, and you are sitting with another person in Zoom rooms, it's like suddenly you're in that other person's special room. And the heart communicates touch. Energetically, we can communicate touch. We communicate it through the breath, and we communicate it through visuals and with meeting the touch with your whole consciousness. It's pretty amazing, and I suggest you give yourself an opportunity to experience it because you'll learn how to build this feedback loop into a situation where there's touch involved, where we most need to use it in the bedroom or in interactions with people where we're allowing ourselves to be really vulnerable and really open. We think you'll be amazed how much you take away to use in your life. So it's Sunday, May 31st, 1 to 3 Pacific and 4 to 6 Eastern. Do join us. You'll probably find it's delightful. It will deepen your capacity to speak your mind and your heart with those you meet online and those you meet in person, as that's allowed. And you'll also find it deepens your conversation inside because you want to be really kind and loving with yourself, your best beloved, the beloved you could take into every situation, every moment of your life. So may you join us and may you find your life grows in eroticism and pleasure even in this time and throughout your days and years. Blessed be.